Hi guys, it's Chantale from Lepage Cafe. I am hoping that this will work. Hope you guys are doing well. I have here my DT project with Tracie Fox's awesome kits. I've got nature snippets in here and silhouette. Mainly silhouette. There is some of her labels as well in there. Yeah, so, oh my god, I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I still am thinking of adding beads, but I think I'm going to keep it for myself because it was a labor of love and I don't even know how much I would even charge for this. So anyways, I learned a lot of things. This is kind of like an accordion journal, I guess. There's two sides. So this is the one side. So there is a total of, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mini journals. I was going to make a series like I usually do, but then I decided, you know what? I saw Creative Cafe, Susie's flip through of her skinny journals, and I thought they were super cool. So I had to try it out, and then she didn't make it as humongous as this is. It is, oh shoot, sorry. Try not to, well, at least it was shoot and not something else, right? Okay, so it is 3 inches wide by 9 inches tall, which is 7.5 centimeters by 22.5 about centimeters tall. So that kind of gives you an idea. So I'm just going to show you guys and try to kind of explain, but it's going to be a humongous, a very, very long video if I take my time and explain everything. So we're just going to go this side and then we're going to go the other side. So just so you know, this is all of the beautiful Tracie's silhouette kit. Oh my gosh, there is so much pretty pieces. So I've got a couple of these tags in front here, and then I've got some sari silk that was gifted to me, so I used it. This is the nature snippets. So I used some of her. This is avocado dyed. This is the material I used. So this one, the first time I did it, I tried to, because I made the pieces smaller so that they would fit in here, because otherwise they were too wide. So this is one of her little washi tapes. So I'm just going to flip through. I will probably add dangles. This one is from Nature Snippets, which I love the color. And they work so well together. But there's a little bit of music paper. This is some of her paper for background. There is silhouette, another one of her little washies. I have collage. This one I was debating if I should just glue it down, and then I thought, you know, it would be kind of fun to journal on. This old book, I don't know what language it is. I can't read it, so sorry. The first page I tried to, when I shrunk it, I did double, I think, or 4 times. So that's why there's double images like that. There's a little tag with Tim Holtz leftovers. That's where it all started. I had the Tim Holtz, you know, the back of those pads of Tim Holtz, and they were really long, and you know, I was trying to figure out how to use them because I've had them forever. So if you look now, there's one of these in every oh sorry every where the signature, I guess, joins. So I don't know if you can see, but this is the Tim Holtz paper. Sorry if my daughter's kind of being loud in the back. So this is one of hers also, or ephemera. Just tiny little book in here. I had so much fun creating this. These are little scraps. Tried to use as much of her kit as possible because there's so many pretty things. And I did double up on a lot of stuff. These are washi stickers that I used up. Avocado paper, another little collage there. Because I'm kind of still working in it, I just wanted to kind of show you the kit because I'm still adding. I'm going to add more beads and I'm going to keep working at it, but it might take me a while to finish it. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I have created so far, because I feel bad because I haven't posted anything Tracie Fox in a very long time. So I'm so sorry, Tracie. I have a really busy life, and sometimes, you know, there's another one of her little tags. Now these have been shrunk down, just so you know, they're regular sized. Another one of these little dangle tickets with little washi stickers. This is part of her kit. I was trying to use up all the scraps as well. Love collage. So here's one of her little envelopes, which I have just put a scrap piece. This is all Tim Holtz. See, once you get about halfway, you can flatten it out. Sorry. Hopefully I'm still in frame. So there's another one. So there's a little, this guy can be just tucked in like this too. And then this is one that kind of you can put on top, so it's pretty neat. A little ruffle on the avocado paper. I had so much fun creating this, seriously. But I have to work on other projects, so just thought I'd show you guys how fun this is. I just love it. So I think I will use it as my gratitude journal maybe after, because I'm working in one right now, and yeah, I think it would be cool all filled up. So, and she has such beautiful kits. Oh, it kind of got squished. Now at first when I created these, I had created like covers, so this was actually supposed to be a cover, so that's why it's kind of a little rough here, but anyways, it still works. There's some, a lot of the tags I put tea-dyed paper on the back. This one was just stamped. Another one of her, what is it called, this one? There's another one of her kits. She has such beautiful kits. They all work so well together. Don't forget to fly. And I had the little butterfly tab there. And then there's another one here. And I added this washi tape. So this is the tea, you know, it's the back of the Tim Holtz wildflowers, I believe. And I just thought a good way of using up the back, those backs. So here's nature snippets, a little, all those little gems. I don't know if you catch them. There was one on the cover too. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. They are from my friend Kathy. So thank you so much, Kathy. I actually don't ever put gems, but you know, I started using them and I just fell in love with them. They add the little sparkle. So anyways, there's a little ticket. So these have been shrunk down, just, I think I've already said that. So anyways, it's just a lot of fun. There's so much, you know, so much potential. And I will keep creating it. I will keep adding. I will probably put them little dangles on the side. Here's another one. It's just been really fun to play with. I'm sorry if you guys hear the Paw Patrol in the background. It's just an easy way of keeping my daughter from screaming. So here's another collage that I used her kit with these pieces, and this was part of her kit, and here was one of her labels, and yeah, I had so much fun. It was so fun. And here's the other side, okay? So I got a little tag in here with the little scraps. And this is the beetle. I made the beetle look cute with the little gems. So hopefully you can see that. I'm still in frame, I hope. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I was in frame the whole time. And then I've got a little dangle on the side here with little beads. Another one of those tags with one of her pockets. There's one of her tags as well, and I put those little gems on them. This is a book page that I have. I really like this, so I'm going to be doing more of those to put in there. a little spot for writing. Here's one of her silhouette kit. Yeah, I was just kind of trying to use up all the scraps, all the stuff, like adding it. Here is where I started adding beads, and I really like how it looks, so I will be adding more. And then on this side, it's got all the pink ruffle as well. After I did it, I thought, oh, I should have put a ruffle on the other side. I ran out of the pink. That's okay. You can always add more if ever you want the ruffle on the edge, but you've already bound your journal. It's okay to do your ruffle and then stick it down. You can do it with papers. Here's a paper ruffle. This is kind of what I do. Sorry guys. I make with the scraps, I make ruffles like this. So, and then you can just use whatever amount and stick it down wherever you want it, right? So it's a fun way of using up your scraps. So thank you to, oh my gosh, Treasure, where I've learned, oh, I'm sorry, I can't remember her name, but I will link her below, where I've learned how I've seen this, how to do ruffles with paper. So much fun. And I thought, oh, what a good idea to just add them together. Now you can double them up and use two materials like these ones where you have two types together. You can also use paper and like that, and then stick it down, right? And you still get the beautiful effect, right? You can always add them after. So just a little tip. So this guy, all the pockets will be on this side. So this is one of her beautiful, and then I collaged. I really, really enjoyed making these two. So thank you so much, Tracie, for having such beautiful kits. I cannot wait to play with some of her new kits. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty and they're so versatile. And I don't know how she does it so quickly. She is one amazing artist for sure. So if you don't follow her, please do. Go check her out. I'm going to link her Etsy shop. I will also link her YouTube channel. And there's the little one of the little beetles. More washi tape here. There's a little card. This is one of her cards from a different kit. I can't think of the name. I'm sure you can look it up though. There's a little pocket here like it did. These are some of her labels too. This came in the kit. And here's another one of her tags as well. I'll put that back in there. And then here's another one with the mushrooms. Here's a fern. The beetle. This is another scrap of her nature snippets. And this one is silhouette. Other nature snippets. Avocado paper with some stitching. Another one of the middle. Now I printed these just on regular paper. Oops, sorry. A little bit of stitching. This paper, I believe, is in one of her new kits as well, the postage one. I'm sorry, I'm not sure the name of it. But go check her shop. You will be able to find it. I just really like the grid. Here's another one with a stamp and some collage of the leftover silhouette. The little tag. There's the other one, another one here with the little bug. From nature, that's from Silhouette. Yeah, Silhouette. This is from that stamp one as well. I will, anyways, it will be in our shop. I'm sure you guys can find it. There's another little ruffle there, some music paper. I just love the variety. Here's another piece that I had left of the nature snippets. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay over the cartoon in the background. If it's too difficult to hear, I won't post this video. I'll just start it over. So here is that's it. So it's a big accordion. See how cool that is? My kids love. Oh, now I just lost where those guys go. Anyways, I will find their spots. So anyways, it's super fun, and I hope you guys like it and it inspires you to create your own. So anyways, have a good day and enjoy this flip through. And until next time, we take care and bye for now.